Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can join and leave groups in Roblox. So first off, I want you to go to the Roblox website or simply open up your Roblox application on your phone. After you're taken to this page, you want to click on these three lines right here, and then we simply go to the groups option. So from here, if you haven't joined any groups, you will see a selection of groups, and you can basically type whatever you're interested in and hopefully there's a group for it. Now for this, I'm just going to take one group as an example. So let's say this one, building me. So in order to join a group, all you have to do is simply press this button right here, which says join group. And now you will have become a member of this group. Now, what do we do if we want to leave a group? Again, it will tell you all of your groups right here on the left corner. So you simply want to go to the group that you want to leave. Click on these three dots right here, and then you have this option leave group. So simply click on this one. It will prompt you with a warning. Are you sure you want to leave this group? Click on yes, and you will no longer be a member of that group. It is as simple as that. I hope this helped you out. Leave a like and subscribe. If it did, I will see you next time. Bye bye.